I went to Vice President Stark this summer because I thought I've had this thing, I've had this bucket list thing. And there's a thing in my musical geek world that's called a commission piece. That's where you pay a composer to write a piece just for you and your ensemble. And I thought, this is such a university thing. What do you think, big guy? What do you think about me raising money? And so he contacted Jordan Sikes. And this is my 37th year to be blessed knowing the Sikes family. And they picked this text. And they paid for the composer to honor me and to honor the university singers in our first year of existence. It's the closing verse in the story of Ezekiel and the dry bones. I will put my spirit within you, and you will come to life. And so, as a way of saying thank you, the Mama Sikes, there's the title page with the inscription that says, commissioned by the Jack and Robbie Sikes family in honor of Dr. Clark Rausch and the York University Singers, and my ex-choir president, Jordan, because you made this all happen. I love you. Thank you to the Sikes family. And so you can really know the extremes we go to prepare them for you. Dr. Seiferlein, who's one of our choir chaplains, came in dressed as Ezekiel. And he told us the story of God's people up until that point. And I had tears in my eyes when he was done. And I hope we do the intent of this honor as this is the first time in the world that this piece has been performed.